To my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the replication situation issues which can help you to understand the better way. Okay, so one of the replication issues I'm going to discuss to you guys. Okay, so before starting the session, whoever newly joined my channel, please like to subscribe and don't forget to share with others as well. And please go and check the channel playlist. There are more than around 150 videos which can help you to day-to-day activities, and and it can improve your the SQL Server knowledge, DBA support. Okay, so let me start. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the replication situation issues. So the situation is like, you need to understand what are the three store procedure in replication: delete, update and insert, and what is this beneficial and how we can get the benefit of this three store procedure. Okay, so what the situation is like, you have a article size like a huge big size, like it's an TB, like a 2 TB or 3 TB article, and that article is it's a very much critical, and you have a situation like you need to delete the data on a publisher, but you don't want to delete on a subscriber. Okay, so the situation is something like you are going to delete on a publication, but you don't want to delete the same data on a subscriber. So how to deal this situation actually, and how this store procedure is helping with this approach. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the best approach. I'm going to tell you the two approach for this scenario, but which one is the best I will tell you at the end of the videos, so that you can choose whenever you want to perform this activity, go with the correct approach. Okay, so as you all aware, if you are not aware, the transactional replication having the three store procedure on a subscription database. Okay, the delete, update and insert, we'll talk about later. So now the scenario is something you want to going to delete on a production publication database, but you don't want to delete on a subscription. So how to proceed that? So I have captured the snapshot how to deal this situation. Actually, if you can see here, you need to execute a couple of steps. You need to connect your SQL Server Management Studio, and you go to publication, right click, and then you need to go to article and set the properties, highlight to tables articles. Okay, so whatever the tables articles, you need to come here with this. I already marked in a red box, set properties of highlight table. So you just click on this, then you need to get the details like delete delivery format, that you need to select do not replicate delete statement. So in below snapshot, you will come here, delete delivery format, and you need to select do not replicate delete statement. Okay, and then click OK. So it will ask you for reinitialize the replication. Okay, the pop-up will come, it will take the snapshot and it will reinitialize the replication. But the guys, what it will do, it will modify the things, your whatever the data you want to delete, that will not replicate on the subscription. This is the statement meaning, like do not replicate delete statement. It will not replicate the delete statement to your subscription. Okay, but this is the worst approach if your article size is too high. Let's assume your article size is 2 TB. Okay, so once you click on OK here, it will reinitialize the replication and it will take the huge time to finish this. Okay, so this is the worst approach. So I'm going to tell you the correct approach how to deal this with this situation. Okay, so now the option 2. So these three store procedure which I discussed, every replication, transactional replication having the three store procedure on your subscriber database. Okay, so go to your subscriber database and then you come to the store procedure, and whatever the articles you have selected, for them three store procedure will be created automatically. Let's assume in this example, okay, so like the article said DBO article 1, for that MS-del is for delete. Okay, and if you go to article 2, MS-del, so for that if you see the article 1 insert MS-ins, this is for insert. Okay, if you come to here MS-update, so this is for update. So for all those three things, like not only for delete, so if you want to insert also on a publisher, but you don't want to insert on subscription, you need to modify this store procedure. Okay, through same way which I have discussed in for do not replicate, same way you can choose for insert and update also, but that's again it's a worst process. It will take a huge time for article size is bigger. Better you go need to modify this store procedure. I will tell you how to modify. So come to your subscription database or store procedure, find the correct articles. If you want to go to delete, go with delete store procedure. If you want to do the update, go with the update. If you want to go with insert, go with the insert and modify this store procedure. Really it will helpful. So how to modify? In this example I'm going to delete, I'm going to modify the delete statement. Okay, so just click on a store procedure, right click and modify. Script will be open. What you need to do it, just you need to put the return statement thus just after the begin. Okay, so what it will do, it will delete but it will not replicate on a subscription, and it will return the query from here itself. Just you need to put one statement, return just begin of after the begin. Okay, so the query will be come to here only and it will return, it will not replicate. Okay, so and you need to save this store procedure. Once your process is done, then you can change it. Okay, once your delete statement is done, you can change it and save it again. So this is the correct way. In this way, you know, you need the replication, no need to take the snapshot and initialize the replication again. So if your article size, this is a very tricky question in interview also. I have discussed in a previous session. You want to delete some data on a publisher but don't want to delete on subscription. Everyone is saying go to articles, right click, select the do not replicate statement. But this is the worst approach. If your article size is too high, they will not allow, because it's a production database or article sizes like 2 terabyte and all, something like that. This will take the huge time because you are reinitializing the replication by clicking this option. Okay, so go with the store procedure option. Every transaction replication having the 3 store procedure, insert, update, delete, which is helping for this kind of situation. So hope you got my point. What is the correct approach for doing this activity? So whenever you face also, you can test it also. You can test it in a lab. I have already created a lab session. I will give the description in a description or as well as the I button. So whenever the I button will come on my video, you just click on that. So you will get the live demo session I have already created. Just click on I button, you will get the link for live. Okay, so thank you guys, hope you like it. If you are liking, please share with others also, and don't forget to subscribe because subscriber is not getting increased. I have seen people are watching but not subscribed yet. So please do subscribe and share with others always. Okay, thank you.